Let's make a soft and cuddly friend. Meet Fluffy-kun, a soft and very cute little friend. He's filled with fluffy cotton and feels so nice to touch. You can take a nap with Fluffy-kun, or play with him all day. But first, let's learn how to make him. Step 1. Fluff it up. We have 2 net bags. Set one aside for later. Take the first net and start stuffing cotton inside. Can all this cotton really fit? Let's try putting it in little by little. Tear up the cotton and gently push it in. It feels soft and fluffy. Add more cotton until it's nice and full. It might take a little effort, but it will all fit. Now, let's close up the net. You can ask someone at home to help you with this part. Wrap it once, then wrap it again tightly. Squish it a little with your hands to shape it. Now we have a soft, fluffy body. Step 2. Make the face and decorations. Get your felt stickers ready. We'll start with the face. Let's add the eyes. The white circles go on first. Now add the black dots on top to make big, round eyes. It looks so cute already. Each felt piece has a sticker on the back. Just peel off the white paper to make it sticky. Gently press the eyes onto the fluffy body. They will stay on nicely. Next, let's add the other decorations. This part can be tricky. If someone folds the end of the sticker for you, it's easier to peel. Now you can do it yourself. Give it a gentle squeeze to keep everything in place. Let's add more felt stickers. Choose your favorite shapes and colors. It might look like a hat or something funny. Step 3. Snip and stick. You can cut felt with scissors. If a piece is too big, ask an adult to help you trim it. You can also cut a fuzzy ball in half and turn it into ears or other parts. That makes a fun and stylish design. Stick all the pieces wherever you like. Decorate it to match your own style. Step 4. Seal and finish. Now, remember the second net bag we set aside earlier? Place it gently over Fluffy-kun. This helps keep all the stickers in place and protects them. Some pieces might come off over time, so this finishing cover keeps everything safe and secure. Step 5. Time to play. Now that Fluffy-kun is ready, it's time to play. Try hiding him in your clothes for a game of hide and seek. Or put him inside a cup. He fits just right. You can take him in your bag when you go out. Where should we go today? When you're done playing, Fluffy-kun might get sleepy. Lay him down and cover him with a small blanket or handkerchief. Say good night and let him rest. Thank you for making your very own Fluffy-kun today. Take good care of him, and come back next time for more fun crafts. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.